viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make Peshawari style mutton karahi. For this karahi I am using approximately 1 kg of mutton along with fat and 4 to 5 medium sized tomatoes which I have chopped, and ginger garlic as usual chopped, and some cooking oil, salt, and for seasoning I will be using some black pepper and few green chilies and some cilantro leaves and lemon juice. So now I'm going to start my Peshawari style mutton karahi. I have taken one wok and I'm going to add the mutton pieces. At this point I'm going to add some cooking oil. Otherwise the meat will stick with the pan, which I don't want. The mutton has started changing color and I need to stir it continuously. Now I'm going to add some chopped garlic. I'm mixing it. We need to saute this garlic for a while. It's the time to add chopped ginger. Mixing it to saute it. I'm going to add chopped tomatoes and stir it. I'm going to add the slitted chilies into the karahi. The tomatoes is releasing water. Now we need to cover it and cook it for a while in the steam. Now I'm going to add some salt and some more cooking oil. And we'll stir it. Now I'm going to add some black pepper. It's optional. The tomatoes have dissolved, and if you want you can remove all the tomato skin with the help of fork. It is releasing the oil. It means our karahi is ready. So I have switched off the stove, and now we will garnish it with some fresh cilantro leaves. We'll serve with some fresh lemon or lime. It tastes very good with Peshawari naan. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.